So why am I on the side of the road? Well, we're going to this bug meet, this cars and coffee thing, and everything's going amazing. We're having a great time, you know, me and Didi. She's over there. And of course, look it. She broke down. She was like, nah, I don't feel like going. I'm gonna hang out on the side of the road. So we are right off the freeway. Yep. Alright, let's get this started. Get some coffee and start doing some teardown. It's hot driver? Shit, yeah. Yeah. We'll take a video of it also so we can have a better.
What up? So we're working on Dave 64. Beautiful ride over here. He pulled up to a stoplight. You know, the thing wouldn't move. So first thought was
That's messed up.
first thought was something's wrong with the transmission. Something's wrong with the clutch. So we dropped the engine down, of course, a few bolts, nothing crazy. Inspected the clutch, the throwout bearing, everything was fine. We went to remove the wheels and the left side came off nice and easy. The right side, a little different story. We grabbed the wheel and it was moving back and forth, left to right there. Come to find out, these drums are splined. Splined to the axle here. You want to bring her on over, Dave? Check her out. Axle shafts are splined. And these drums here are supposed to have splines all the way through. But this side didn't. Just at the end. So it wasn't grabbing onto the axle shaft, and that's why the car wouldn't move. It was just spinning, sitting there spinning in place. And because it doesn't have a limited slip or a locking differential, it's just one axle just spinning inside the drum there. And that's what we found. So now we got those on order, installed new seals, axle seals on both sides, and we're gonna do new brake shoes. Looking forward to it. First, we're gonna throw the motor back in there because we don't need that hanging around there for no reason. We love it. And
I'm not sure.
I'll crip walk it one day.
What's up, Dnz fam? Thank you guys so much for being part of this. Actually, nobody's really watching the show, but it's all good. You know? We're gonna continue to do this.
That's right.
Anyways, we got the engine in, we got the gas lines going, and we got the electrical to finish up. So after that, what do we got, Zoe?
We're gonna install the rear brake shoes, adjust them up, put the drums on there, set her on the ground, and then move on to our 55 build because we got plenty of work to do. 55 to-do list, ready up the front suspension, and then check out our rear end. It's gonna be great.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this.